Imagine yourself being a senior Meta employee looking for feedback from the CEO, but instead of hearing from the real Mark Zuckerberg, you get a response from a Zuckerberg AI character. As absurd as that sounds, it could eventually be a reality. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. According to the Financial Times, Meta is reportedly working on such an AI character, training it on Zuckerberg's mannerisms, tone, and publicly available statements. But they aren't only working on the outsides, the insides are changing too. The character is also learning about the CEO's thoughts on recent company strategy, with the idea that it could offer advice to Meta employees. For quite some time now, the company has reportedly been working on creating photorealistic, 3D animated AI characters that can manage interactions. However, now we know which character they're basically focusing on. It now appears to be making an AI character out of Mark Zuckerberg, which would interact with employees when the CEO can't or doesn't want to. But this isn't a brand new news either. Just some time back last month, it was revealed that Zuckerberg is creating an AI agent to help him do his job. It was first reported and claimed that the AI character would do things like finding answers for him. But what more could this still developing AI agent possibly do is still under wraps. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.